Bonjour. Welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is the verb avoir. Avoir, right? Which means to have. Être and avoir are two basic but crucial verbs in French because they are playing an important role in the formation of many tenses like Passé Composé, Plu-que-parfait, etc. Moreover, they play an important role in the formation of many idiomatic verbs. Être verb we have already discussed in details in our last video. If you want to watch that video, I mentioned the link in the description box. So let's discuss the verb avoir first. The conjugation of avoir is je. First one is je. Je means je plus a. Both are vowels, that's why it allied with each other. It will become je. Je means I have. Je, I have. Tu as. This is informal, right? And this is formal. Tu as, which means you have. Il a, elle a, right? Masculine, feminine. Il a means he has, elle a, which means she has. Nous avons. Nous avons. S and A. When we combine in the pronunciation, it will give the sound of Z. Nous avons, which means we have. Vous avez. Again, S and A. Vous avez, which means you have. Formal, you have. Ils ont. Don't call it sont. This is ils ont. Ils sont is in être verb. Ils ont. Elles ont. Ils ont. Elles ont. Let's have a recap. You can repeat after me. J'ai, which means I have. Tu as, which means you have. Il a, elle a. Il a, elle a. He has, she has. Nous avons, which means we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, elles ont, they have. Let's discuss with the help of examples. J'ai, verb, article and noun. J'ai une voiture. J'ai une voiture, which means I have a car. I've used une here because voiture is feminine noun. Tu as un stylo. Tu as un stylo. Verb, again article, and this is again noun. This is masculine noun, that's why I have used un here. Tu as un stylo. You have a pen. Right? Il a une maison. Il a une maison. He has a house. Maison is house, which is feminine word, so we have used une. Il a une maison. Elle a un sac. Sac is purse. Masculine, so we have used masculine article with it. Elle a un sac. She has a purse. Nous avons une grande maison. I have mentioned grande because maison is feminine. Otherwise, grand is for masculine. Nous avons une grande maison. We have a house. Vous avez un chien adorable. Vous avez, which means you. It's not we, this is you. Vous avez un chien adorable. Adorable means adorable. Chien means a dog. So you have an adorable dog. Ils ont beaucoup de livres. Ils ont beaucoup de livres. Beaucoup de means a lot of. Livre means book. And this is avoir verb. Ils ont beaucoup de livres. I've used plural here because I'm talking about a lot of books. They have a lot of books. This one is elles ont des fleurs dans leur jardin. Elles ont des fleurs dans leur jardin. Avoir verb, article, flowers in their, and jardin is garden. Ils ont des fleurs dans leur jardin. They have flowers in the garden, or in their garden, basically. Right? Okay. There are some important notes to be made here. First one is conjugation. Conjugation we have already discussed here. This is also one of the irregular verbs, which means they do not follow any pattern. So different conjugation. Je, tu, a, il a, ella, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Second one is position. So position here means we are using this verb in case of position. For example, j'ai une voiture. So I am possessing a car. J'ai une voiture. Right? Il a un ordinateur. Il a un ordinateur. He is possessing what? He is possessing a computer. Il a un ordinateur. He has a computer. This verb we are using for age also. J'ai 20 ans. 20 means 20. I mean years. So literal meaning is I have, but it's not I have, which means I am 20 years old. J'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. Last one is feelings and sensation. Right? For example, j'ai froid, which means I'm cold or I'm feeling cold. So in case of feelings and sensations, we are using this verb. So this is quite an important verb. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.